Adding a phone number to Gohighlevel is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Adding a phone number for your main business line. This option is ideal if you want to use the number for incoming calls, texts, and voicemail directly within Gohighlevel. Here's how. First, go to Settings and then go to Locations. Then, click on the location you want to add the number to or create a new one. After that, click on Phone Numbers. Then, click on Add Number. Choose a local number or a toll-free number. Now, select your country and area code. Gohighlevel will display available numbers. Choose the one you want. You can also port an existing number by clicking Port Number. Once you choose the number, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase and setup.